Alright guys, we'll get started in a few minutes, right? 3 minutes, so like up stream and all that stuff. We'll get started in a bit. See you in a minute. Rightio, what up guys? Good morning. Let me change the screen here. Cool. Right, I'm gonna get through some Twitter stuff and then I'll get to you guys, alright? Okay, so we have which plays we have here? Update, MDGH, done. Nice, Yazid. Yazid, well done. Well done to those who traded WeBuy and sold at 0.25. You are in the Bahamas. ACHR, what's happening here? ACHR is up 4%. For me, is anything on it? It's moving up a bit now, but there's too much. So look here, you see there's so many noise. Wicks everywhere, right? We know if it breaks above this 347, we have no wicks in the way and we have clean range to the upside. And that is something that is a lot easier to trade. With your emotions trying to trade when there's a lot of noise here, right? You're going to be all over the place. You're going to be, oh, is it going to break? Is it going to go? Close above here, you're like, oh, no, it's fine. No worries. Anyway, it'll keep going up, right? So that's just the way you do it. Trade when it's easy. Trade when it's easy. That's how simple you can make trading. Wait for 347, entry. Entry here, no good. Why? Because there's too much noise. Rejection here, everywhere. Too much noise. Foxo is down bad. Foxo down 34%. And pump and dump by the looks of it. Foxo, you have same things here. Look, 0.6715, right? So look now, we have a lot of noise here. We have this in the way, this in the way, this in the way, here in the way, here in the way. Close above here, we have all the way up here, and then all the way up here, then all the way up here. See that? That's the difference. Look left on your chart. Look left. 0.6715 break above. Nice, well done on WeBuy. Lots of people made money on that. Congratulations. Fantastic job. Okay, let's have a look here. Hi, how are you? Can you do Bivy? Mohammed, I will do Bivy for you, brother. Bivy's up 10%. What are we looking at? So the chart is what? Right now we identified that it was in a downtrend, okay? And now we've seen that it's closed above. That confirms that now it's in a bullish trend. Where is our next resistance? Around here, where I have this line. Right around here, 318. So now you don't want to be buying here because there's a wick rejection here and here. Close above here. At 318, you should be good. Trying to enter now is not good. If you are in, that's fine. Then you are in early. But if not, I personally just wouldn't. And maybe not even above here. Like, I would just say close above $3 can be a safe entry if you really want to take this. Right? You don't have much resistance above $3. So close above 3, you should be good. Like this. We can even say it was in a falling wedge. Pretty much everything I see is a falling wedge, to be honest, but there you go. So wait for $3 on this bivvy now. Now you're in a situation where this whole range from here to here, right, is like a no trade zone. Like this, I would not be trading in here. Wait for a close above, clean range. That's it. That's the only entry I would look for is above $3, all right? So bivvy, wait for $3 break to enter. Simple as that. No break above $3, no entry, unless you're in early. MDDH, could it be today's runner? Hopefully. It looks good. I would be trading this. I know it's below VWAP, but yeah, it looks good. It looks good. I like that. ENSC close above 0.75, 0.75. If I can type properly. Yeah, above 0.75, you're looking good. Let's just remove all these levels here. Too much noise right here. Close above 0.75, you have range all the way up to here. You see the difference? This is a, look, this is the difference. You have a 10% move here. If you enter here, you have this in the way. You have a 3% move. Just wait 3%. If it closes above, you know there's a high probability of getting an extra 10%. Trying to enter now is not a good idea because rejected once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times. You see? I sold MDH on Tuesday. Damn. Good morning. What up, Fig? What up? What up, Kevin? 20 more likes. Let's see how many likes we got here. Come on. 21 likes. Let's get to 50. Come on. 50, 50, 50. 50, 50, 50. I'm not in any trades at the moment. No trades, no trades. Good morning, ACHR. I'm going to be trading a lot later in pre-market moving forward as well. Gives me more time to do things during the day as well, which is nice. ACHR. I think I just went over this one. This one here. Yeah, we just have this on the watch list. 347 break above looks alright. Nothing now though. RUN stereo. What's stereo? You are in stereo? No. Foxy, not very foxy. Thank you. Let's go. Well done, Johnny. Hey, what up, Lucifer, my man Tiger? Thanks, brother. No worries, Nimit. Afternoon, afternoon. Ather, here's Ather here. Did I do Ather? No, I didn't. Ather, former runner, 4%. You still have that gap fill here. You still have it. You still have it. You still have the gap fill. So I just need to adjust it now, right? This gap fill obviously is not as large because we have a new high, which is around here, right? So this is your new high right there. Like that. And then that's it. So we still have that daily gap fill. So daily gap fill updated. Cool. Cool. Tiger Line trades on fire. Give yourself a pound on the back. Let's go. Uber. Have they had earnings anytime soon, or have they had it recently? Uber has a gap fill here. Yeah, Uber's gap fill starts from 75 doll hairs. 75, and then to fill the gap is 78.82. So 78.80. Cool. This is your level for Uber. Uber has a daily gap fill. Large caps were extremely bullish yesterday, had the best stock market since, well, this year, and best since elections, best day it's had on election day. Uber, ELWS, there was nothing going on with this last time I saw it. Is it moving up now again? Okay, so ELWS is moving. Same thing with this, guys. Look, noise here, here. Close above this resistance here at 787. Should be good for entries. Personally, wouldn't enter now. Right? If you want to enter above here, then you have clean range to the upside. You aim, once it closes above, you can have whatever target you want. I like to aim for 3 to 5%. You can aim for 100% if you want, but that's not realistic. ELWS needs 787 break above. This is insane. Yeah, that's insane, isn't it? ATCH, let me just remove this. Key levels. .375 I'll do, so 0.375, lovely. And then you have this level as well. So 0.4803, I just put 0.48, right? That's something I like to do. So 0.48 is, these are levels here for ATCH. ATCH key levels. Right, let me get back to some other place. Guys, this is the only Discord here. Look, this is the Discord. Someone asked me earlier as well. This is the Discord. It's through the WAP link. The WAP link is where you pay. This is where all the seminars are, where you learn how we trade. Explained everything there. The intro video, journals, all that stuff is there. How we trade the falling wedge, great things, support, resistance, good for beginners, good for intermediate, pros, whatever. But the main thing is me just showing you exactly how I trade and what I do to take my entries. And then when you're in the Discord, you'll see that we use a lot of the terminology that I teach on the seminars, so it will make a lot more sense. You know, when you just join the Discord and you don't know what's going on, it's because you probably haven't watched any of the seminar videos. Watch that and it'll be very, very clear to you because it's laid out extremely easy. You know, even a goldfish can understand once they've understood everything. So yeah, my trading style is extremely, extremely basic. It's very, very simple for anyone to trade it. It's not difficult at all. You just have to learn and listen, that's all. I don't use all these crazy indicators. I don't have all this crazy stuff on my charts. My charts look exactly how you see them now, and when I trade, same thing. ARDX is in a downtrend right now. Why is everyone going on about SON? SON, S-O-U-N, S-O-U-N, S-O-U-N. What about SON? What is so great about SON? Nothing. Nothing. Unless 629 break above. All right, yes, and I do not have a Telegram, WhatsApp, all of that stuff. You'll see a lot of people post down on my tweets. It's not me, that's not me. You can see by the name, it's just some random stupid bots named Lisa or whatever the hell is going on. I don't know why they do it, but yes, that's not me. I do not have Telegram, I don't have private channels and all this crazy shit. I'm a normal person. Myself and Hassie both work in the Discord together. ARDX, rub the crystal ball. SGMO, very bullish on the daily. 4 hour, we have a bullish trend. 1 hour, we have a bullish trend. 5 minute, we have low volume. Obviously, for continuation, we need to break the high, which is at 255-ish level. Break above 255, and you should be going up, right? I'd say around to 275 is your next level, because I like to use psychological levels as next key resistance levels. Right, there you go. So SGMO, wait for 255, break above to enter. BLNK, that is an EV play. They are running with plug, I'm assuming, if BLNK is the right stock. Is it the same one? Charging, yes, BLNK, same as plug. Pretty much all the EVs. Plug was down 21% though yesterday. Company, nice news, company, right. Overall trend on BLNK is bearish, so I personally don't like to buy when a stock is in a bearish trend because there's a higher probability it will go down, right? So for me, I like to wait for the trend to break. It could be here at $2, it could be here at 192, it could be down here at 173, right? I don't know where the trend will break. That's why it's easy to just copy my charts because it's simple. You can see the time frame, you can see the candlesticks, you can see what broker I'm using, everything you can copy there to give you the right entry exactly when you need to take the trade. Right, FRGT, right. Let's like up the stream, guys. I'm getting to all your questions. There's a lot of questions, so just bear with me, all right? Bear with me. We're getting some more people in today, which is nice to see. People are alive. Markets are going to start heating up soon. It's going to be fun, fun, fun. For me, nothing on FRGT. Why am I going to enter the trade, right? If we are in a bearish trade, we've broken below support here. Right now, there's no volume. It doesn't look like anything's happening. If we close above here, we have clean range to the upside. See that? So if you want to take an entry on this, Ferga, wait for close above 220, right? No close above 220 is no entry. Unless you're in a long term or whatever reasoning, then that's fine. No worries, Maheen. No worries, no worries. TRNR. I removed this one off my watch list. It wasn't really doing anything. TRNR. Overall trend is very bearish. I don't like when it has these two strong top wicks. You see this? It shows a lot of rejection, you know, and this is where it's rejecting around this level here. So you have 0.2115. So 0.2115, that is your resistance level. Maybe if you close above that, I would consider something. Maybe it's you're looking at the entry here because it's around 52-week low. If it is somewhere around there, but for me, I don't trade. That's not my trading style to buy stocks at 52-week low, because yes, there's a probability to go up, but it can also high probability going down due to it being at the 52-week low. It's probably going to keep going down, right? When is there a reversal? Understand where reversal patterns are, understand candlesticks, all those other things as well, which I do explain in the Discord. So my trading style, right, for those who want to know, I don't trade breakouts, I don't trade large caps, I don't trade options, I trade pullbacks and reversals. So I trade a stock when it's in a position like this, and I can indicate very well on when it will reverse. I can tell you now that this isn't a good reversal side because there's no volume and it doesn't give me any confluences that I see that I usually look for. All right, although it's at support, that's not enough confluences, it's not enough confirmation for me to enter the trade. It's one confluence, but I need at least 2 or 3. Like up the stream, actually need 50 more likes. What up, tipster? Hello, hello, hello. Let's go. Send more people in here. Jobby. J-O-B-Y, J-O-B-Y, J-O-B-Y. So we have a lot of noise here. We did break above and then we ran up. So look, you broke above this level here. You broke above here and you ran, what, 3%? So very... yeah, weak follow through. So I would focus on something like this, where you have a volume breaking above here, you have a lot of range to the upside. Here there's too much noise here, and then here you have $5, then 530, right? 534, you have range all the way to 570. Seems a lot better to trade something when it's over 530. Jobby, wait for 534 break. All right. Okay, what else is there? Let's see. Let me see what's going on. TRNR, morning. Made money on Sin now, waiting on DJ. Nice. No, sir, you are in stereo on 2 screens, trading, recording, and live. Wait, what? You are in stereo on 2 screens, trading, recordings, and live. Yes, I am recording this as well. When zooming out to look at levels, how far are you looking? For me, I like to use the 4-hour because I can see pre-market and after hours, like this with the gray. If I have daily, I don't like to see daily because I don't know what's happening here, but we can see Jobby, right? If we're looking at this, we do have a nice gap fill, which is a very good sign, high probability of pushing up. But for me, I like to see something like this where I can see what's going on with price action during after hours and pre-market. But it's not the best way. It's something that I do. Some people use the 1 hour, some people use a weekly, some people use a daily. I don't need to go that far back because I'm only trading on the 5-minute time frame and I'm in a stock for a few minutes. But it's always good to identify key levels because I know this is a big level on a larger time frame. If it breaks above here on a smaller time frame, it will probably run, right? That's the way I think. Uber up on Lyft. Oh, I see. LGMK volume dried up, would be nice to review. LGMK, yeah, I saw that one and then it came down. LGMK, yeah, so it went up. Nothing for me on this. Look, too much noise. Resistance here, all of that, right? Above 0.15, maybe you can look for something. But trying to buy now, for me, nothing. There's no sign reversal, no volume. It looks like it just died off right now. Maybe later it'll come back. Look like it will come back. Good afternoon. Do you avoid the more expensive stocks for your swing trades too? No, not really. I just look for stocks that will give me the best opportunity, but I typically don't go over something over $40, $50 because trying to get a 10% move on that, it just depends. Usually they're not as volatile and it'll take a lot longer than a week. So I just avoid them. I try and focus on something that's maybe like $10 to $30. But price isn't too much of a factor, but I definitely don't trade something that's $100 for a swing trade. I saw Fox at 0.36. Yeah, Hassie alerted. It was insane. Would have been 70,000. Damn. Big account. Lucid. Lucid is still bearish, right? So for me, nothing on this EV sector is still bearish at the moment. Still bearish. There is no sign of a reversal. It is bearish. It is making a lower low. There is no higher high. So this is still going down. If you're trying to look for an entry, you need to look for an entry when the trend line breaks. It could be here at 236. It could be here at 224. It could be down here at $2. I don't know where it will be, but you can copy this charts on the 4 hour, draw the trend line, wait for the break, entry. TRNR, nothing on this, nothing on this. I just mentioned that's support. I wouldn't buy here. This isn't something I would do. If you want to take it, you're more than welcome to. BNZI going nuts. Let me have a look. This was running earlier, wasn't it? I took this. I don't know why I took this on my watch list. I had it on my watch list. I didn't add it. That was the issue. Yeah, BNZI right now. Look, here is your most recent resistance. If we close above 348, there is a high probability it will run. What does close mean? Everybody should know that. Every single one of you are in here because you've been in here before and you know this. I talk about it every single day for the last 4 years. Candle close above equals entries. No close above, no entry. Entry, no entry. Entry, no entry. Should be clear to everyone. Yes, cool. Do you think T-Doc has potential for today? I looked at this earlier. I don't think there's anything going on. T-Doc for me, nothing. There's too much noise going on. I don't know what's going on. Resistance here, 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 everywhere. Close above 989, then yes, there's a probability of going up. Now, I don't know. I don't know what's going on right now, unfortunately. Update on WeBuy. WeBuy is looking fantastic. High volume. So now I'll go to the 4 hour and see what other key levels there are so we can look left. I said today, and I will say it again for the last time, don't be surprised if it fills the wick at 0.2955. You want to know how long I gave you this one? I told you this play about 2 hours ago. 2 hours ago. Two hours ago, ladies and gentlemen. So you had 2 hours to get in this trade. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? So if you are in it, congrats. This is your wick fill. Wick fills are high probability plays to fill the wick, and especially when there's a lot of volume. 0.32 is your next resistance level. So WeBuy is a very nice play. Very strong setup. If it breaks above this high now at 2782, if the candle does this, right, this is called an impulse buy, so you're waiting. If the candle's moving like this, breaks this high and goes up above it like that, you can enter the trade and it should continue to go up. Discord members know everything about that setup. Hollow to the moon. What's Hollow doing? Hollow needs some help, man. Hollow needs some help. That's what Hollow needs. There's nothing else other than some help for this thing. I don't know. I don't know when this thing's ever going to run again, unfortunately, to the bag holders. I don't even feel for you because you should be having a stop loss. But it's in the demand zone. It's in the demand zone for the 500th time. DBGI. What is happening with DBGI? We are down 7%. If it closes above 0. We can use this resistance here. 135. 0.135. You have clean range to the upside. Close above 0.135 equals entries. All right. No close above, no entries. That means you should not be in now at all. WeBuy is here. And look, can you see the magic? The magic has happened. So if you did enter when it broke above here, you got a quick 5-6%. You should be done for the day. Cool. See you tomorrow. MDJH looking good. Setting up into open. We'll see if it holds. If not, I'll come down to this demand zone here. Frey, I don't know what's going on with this. I'm not really interested at the moment. I missed this play yesterday. It just kept going up and up and up. It was pretty insane to... pretty insane, yeah. So I'm going to just remove it. It's down 1%, so nothing yet. Nothing yet, nothing yet, nothing yet, nothing yet. MDGH curling up. Yes, LGMK, it is free. LGMK, yes, it's curling. If you have to take an entry, if you really want to take an entry, you can wait for a close above LGMK on 0.1248. We're just above VWAP. If it closes above on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 20 minute, 2 hour, 7 year time frame, whatever time frame closes above, you can look for the entry and take the trade. It's free to like the stream. Let's go. MDJH is right here. This is it. It's in a falling wedge, demand zone, expected to break out. We'll see what happens. DJT is in demand zone, look. Just chilling in demand zone right now. Chilling. I told people, they're like, no, this thing's going 20 times more, 500 times more, $200 stock. Like, come on, guys, please. I know this stock market, how it works. It's called sell the damn news. If something is too good to be true, it usually is. So those who try to buy here or bought at $50 are now taking out another loan because they're down 50%. You know? Nice, Leo. Well done on that. Fantastic job. 1000 use TRT down. Century now. Oh. UNCY, nothing unless 0.55. Here, yeah. 0.55 is your big level. See this? So UNCY needs close above 0.55. So the fact that this is on the daily time frame, okay, this gives more confirmation of a bigger breakout. If this was on the 1 minute time frame like this, there is a lower confirmation that this will probably run as hard. It's not as a strong resistance because, right, the time of this being in a resistance zone hasn't been long enough, right? So it will probably just break above and just run up as normal. But if you have a daily, huge daily resistance, it will probably break above this and run pretty hard. So watch that 0.55. Yeah, I'm getting stuck in that charity video. Yeah, exactly. It's just wait. Like, don't enter, just wait. Wait for the break above, that's it. If you don't know where the break above is, find out where the areas of support, or find out where resistance is. It's pretty clear. I try and show you guys that every day. PCTY, I mean, this thing's unbelievable. I don't really have anything to tell you, but this thing's just up. This trend's insane. What do you think about QCOM? Was really high last night but after beating earnings. QCOM after earnings probably come back to an area of support which was previous resistance at 178. So 178.5 is your most recent area of support. This was your most recent area of resistance, and now it is going to probably pull back here. Maybe 178.50 could be good entries. All right, pull back to here and then push to the upside. GLYC is here for me. Nothing on this. Yeah, I don't really see anything clear. Maybe above here, about 0.462. Break above 0.462. Maybe you could look for entries, but at the moment there's no clear sign of reversal or anything. So GLYC, wait for close above 0.4620. We buy min at 0.18. Let's check we buy out. Is it still going? Yeah, we buy. Fantastic job. Fred's perspective is done for the day before the market even opens. You are living the dream, my friend. Congratulations. Mara, demand zone for 1750.18. Here's your demand zone. This is the most recent demand zone right here. Fig. This. Right here. Right here. Next one is around this level, 1840 to 1850. Tesla on the video. How's Tesla doing? Large caps will probably pull back a little bit. Tesla here are key levels. Right now, just 4 hour you can say is downtrend. Break above that, should continue to the upside. Looks like it's heading to 300 to be honest with you. APDN. APDN, nothing on this for me yet. Maybe above 0.21 on APDN. APDN, wait for close above 0.200. I don't like something like this though. It's just ranging. Fun is here, just in demand zone right now. We'll see what happens with this play. Imagine someone using margin by DJT. Yeah, exactly right. Nice bank. Well done, guys. Well done on WeBuy. Simple. If you think about it, look at all the market right now, the pre-market move. Which one is running? WeBuy. That's the best play to get in. Why? Because it's high volume, steady uptrend, moving up to open. It's the most bullish setup, the easiest play that you'll make money on. This one doesn't look great. NUKK. Nothing for me on this, unfortunately. You have a lot of resistance over here, though. 288. So 288 break above, maybe, yeah. So NUKK, wait for 288 break above. APLD, this is a nice play long term in my opinion. APLD is here. Right now we are in a downtrend, unfortunately, but yeah, just something like this. Looks good. Reversing right off this perfect demand zone I see here, like that. Cool. Yeah, looks good. Mara, same thing. They all just follow Bitcoin, guys. So Bitcoin is probably your best bet to look at these plays. Mara right now. Mara has a resistance level here. It needs to close above 1939, sorry. Close above 1939, then you can look for possible entries for continuation to the upside. I wouldn't be buying into resistance. You got 1 rejection, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a lot of rejection here. Close above, you have room to 23. Trust the demand zone. Let's go. Demand zone's good, I'm telling you. I noticed that's the only kind of setup you take, and it works very well for you, which is nice. BA, let me do the weekly on this. This is more like a, yeah, BA weekly time frame is not looking too great, to be honest with you. I would wait weekly. I'd wait for a close above here, but if you're trying to buy, maybe this is a good buy zone. Right, so I'll put this, even give this on you on Twitter, and I will tell you around this level is a good area to buy. 120. This is a good buying range. Good buying range. Good buying area, not range. Sorry. Heading to buying zone. Right, buy here, hopefully, you see. Thoughts on 24/5 trading? I mean, I think it's going to be something similar to Forex in terms of like the Asian session, London session, New York session, and so on. But I still think that trading outside of the sessions, I guess, if there are any sessions, I'm just kind of basing it off the Forex kind of time frames, but I still think the most volume is going to be trading during pre-market. I mean, during US time. So nothing is really going to change in my opinion. So yeah, I don't know. For me, it doesn't really bother me. I'm not going to be changing my time and how I trade just because the time frame doesn't mean I'm going to be on more, doesn't mean I'm going to be on less. I'm just going to do exactly what I do because it works. If anything, I will be spending less time because I don't need to spend so much time staring behind the screen. You don't need to do that. But I don't know what the reasoning is for it. I guess it is good in a sense that it gives other people opportunity to trade during the day and all those kind of things. But for me, the best time to trade is still going to be US time because that's when all the news is going to happen. Nothing will change in that sense. CYN, there's nothing unless 585. I mentioned that. I said in the Discord, close above 585. Your candle closes above here, you are entering the trade. No close above, no entry. Entry, no entry, entry, no entry, entry, no entry. See? MYO, okay, I'm going to do these last two stocks and I'm done. MYO, 0 volume for me, nothing on this. Strong bullish trend at the moment. But yeah, nothing for me at the moment. Maybe $5 your next resistance. MBIO, let me have a look. MBIO's up 15%. Yeah, nothing for me. I'm not really convinced with this yet. Here's your most recent resistance, 0.35. So this is your next like target, I guess you could say. So 0.35 from there. All right. Okay, guys, I'm going to head into the Discord. Here is the link. Okay, live trading link will start in 20 minutes or sorry, 30 minutes. I'll see you guys there. It will be recorded as well. Make sure when you do join the Discord, I know we have one person that just joined. Please check your Discord DM. All right, I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Thanks. Have a great day. Peace.